Breathe in, bend your knee and Utkatasana, chair pose. Fold forward, Padahastasana, head down. Lift your head up, Uttanasanam. Walk or jump back to Chaturanga Dandasanam. Urdhva Shvanasanam. Adho Mukha Shvanasanam. Now right leg front, Veerabhadrasanam. Warrior aim. Warrior beam. Konasanam. Parivratta Parshvakonasana, hook and twist. Left elbow on your right knee. Again, Asham. Uttana Pristasanam. Elbow touch to the floor. Lift your knees up. Again, cross your leg. Kapodasanam, pigeon pose. Slowly take your leg back. Palakasanam. Now Chaturanga Dandasana or Sastanganamanam. Urdhva Mukha Shvanasanam. Adho Mukha Shvanasanam. Now bring your left leg front. Veerabhadrasana, warrior aim. Beam. Asanam. Parshvakonasanam. Sanchalanam. Uttana Pristasanam. Ashvasanchalanam. Kapotasanam. Now take your leg back. Palakasanam. Chatastanganamanam. Urdhva Mukha Shvanasanam. Adho Mukha Shvanasanam. Walk or jump forward. Lift your head up. Uttanasanam. Head to the knee. Padahastam. Bend your knee. Utkatasana. Come to position Tadasana Sthiti.